Yo, yo, yo. What's happening, everyone? Today, we are going to be watching some stuff here from Activision, their investor call. We might actually get some pretty interesting COD 2021 info here. So, this is a super weird time also, because again, this is potentially one of the latest we've ever had some type of info for like what's going on with this year's COD. So, that's what we're going to do here. I got full screen for a second, so if you guys like full screen, I could do that. But I don't know, people might. But let's pull up. I gotta go to their Activision. 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, it's not promising. Okay, like we don't know, but hopefully we do get something here. Let me say hi to you guys. Rob Zombie, Caleb, what's up, man? Chubby, Sands, Jay, Baker, Jake, Dennis. I'm doing well, man. How you doing? Robert again. Alejandro, Warwolf. What's going on? What's going on? Magical Gamer. Jay. Can we get Advanced Warfare? Because I don't want another World War II game. We'll talk about that. I mean, I don't mind the World War II setting, honestly. I really don't. But Michael, what's up, man? Alex, I'm a new subscriber. Like your content. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for joining the channel. Appreciate you guys. Love from Romania. Whoa. Dennis, what's good? Austin, we're going to get another investor call from Activision. Usually, if you guys don't know, we streamed the investor call back in January, earlier this year. And usually the first investor call in January reveals at least like what studio is making the new Call of Duty. And we did not get that information back in January, which is super rare. That's never happened before. So again, just to make this clear, we're not getting a trailer or anything, but we need to at least know behind the scenes, especially with the rumors about the game being in a terrible state, the rumors about the game potentially being delayed. We need to know from this investor call, okay, like, is Sledgehammer actually making this Call of Duty? Are there other studios helping out? I'm super interested to know what they're going to do here. Yo, Haven. Yo, Haven with the $2 super chat. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? Thank you for that. Yo, facts. If you guys want to follow the TikTok, I'm going to post a lot more on the TikTok now. Just like little short COD clips, little funny things. Because it's just, it allows me to be more creative. It really does. Because on YouTube, I do the news, I do the updates, but I can't really be that creative. You know what I mean? Like TikTok, I just do like funny little things. I don't know. I like it a lot. It's just good for my creativity. So TikTok, the link to that is down below for sure. Cortez, what's up, man? Catherine, Steven, Deadpool. You were in one of my recent vids, really? What video? Adam, yo, T, we got a YouTube member in the chat. What's happening? Oh, facts. Timer. I got you. I don't know why I always forget the content timer. That's like my staple, but I've been forgetting it recently. So again, it's literally about to be in like 15 minutes. Guys, I have a final in like an hour. I have a finance final in an hour. And like, I just, I'm not going to study. You know what I mean? I didn't study. I'm not going to study. I think I'll be fine. So, but the problem is I'm going to have to end the stream eventually. Like, I have a finance final, like, really soon. Like, as you know what I mean? It's just like, there's nothing I could do. So, hopefully we get some info, then I could, like, dip. Unless I stream during the finance final. Dude, I can't. I actually have to focus. Like, I've streamed during class before, but I can't stream during a final. Dude, I can't be streaming during a final, bro. Bro, I'm not studying, bro. Dude, it's first of all, I'm not gonna like. It's on Zoom. I'm in my house. I'm in my bedroom. Like, dude, it's not the same as being in person. Like, I'm not gonna say because like, what if my professor's watching? But like, you know what you could do at home, taking a test. Come on, I'm chilling. Go study. It'll help, dude. I have to stream. Okay, I can't just be a YouTuber and not stream when I have to. That's just against like you know what I mean? Like, also, I want to pull up some stuff here. I want to say something as well. I already mentioned this on Twitter, but I don't know if you guys know. If you guys know the YouTuber Electric Shock, he sent me a bunch of different G Fuel packets and stuff, and I have some Shock stickers. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, honestly, but he sent me a little packet of the juice G Fuel. Bro, I tweeted out I tweeted out how good it was, dude. I'm telling you, bro. I don't tweet fake stuff out like that. I don't. Like, if you guys know me, I'm not usually like the overhyped like fake type. Like, I really am not. But son, the juice G Fuel flavor, bro, it was so good. Like, I actually was like nutting. Yo, Shock, what's good, bro? I like how you're in the stream. Yo, I'm like, no, Shock. I don't know how well you know me. I'm not like the fake. I don't get hyped. Like, when people go out to eat, I'm like, oh, the food was pretty good. It was okay. Like, I don't really get too hyped for stuff like that. But dude, it was so good, bro. Like, I'm not even. You go to Syracuse? Yo, I'm actually baiting you guys. I do not go to Syracuse, but I have the shirt. I got accepted and I had the shirt, but I didn't go. It's a lot of money. Syracuse is a lot of money. I did get accepted, so that's my relation to having this shirt on. Yeah. Dave, what's up, man? This live chat has much. Oh yeah, I'll come up. What are you saying, bro? Saucy Sam. Oh, what's up? I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm missing a bunch of comments. I'm sorry about that. I'm a finance major again. But again, guys, right now we have the Activision investor call. And like I said earlier, usually we get some type of at least confirmation that but a studio is making the game and some other just preliminary Call of Duty info. We didn't get any of that last investor call. So we need something now. Like, we need something now. If we don't get anything during this investor call, it's gonna be kind of worrying. You know what I mean? What does the juice taste like to you? I'm gonna be honest. So Shock, I watched your video about the review for the juice, and you were saying it's like the biggest flavor that you like tasted was watermelon, and I was like, I don't know, because I don't really like the watermelon flavor, especially when it's like not the real fruit. Like, the watermelon fruit's fire, but I feel like watermelon flavors, they just don't taste that good. So I don't know. I wasn't like too hyped to try the juice, but I was like, I'll try it. But it is watermelon, but it's like a very like good watermelon. It's not artificial tasting at all, which I was worried about it being artificial, but it's not. It's like I don't know, like a light watermelon. It's good. And then something else I can't think, but I was so surprised because I thought it was going to be just like a strong, like, you know what I mean? I don't know. But it was good, though. Yo, Kevin, what's up, man? Yeah, so I'm going to pull up Charlie Intel's Twitter, too. You guys done with face cam? I know you guys are done. I know you guys are sick of it. You guys are like, yo, I don't want to see your freaking face, bro. Freaking. I would actually curse, but I don't want to curse on stream. Okay, let's do small cam. Oh, you can't see anything. Okay, bet. Are we good here? Okay, I need a transition. I need to get my transitions up. Guys, type in the chat, what do you want to see? Advanced Warfare 2 or World War II, the sequel? Or World War II 2, Part 2? I don't know. Let me know down below. Just let me know down below. AW or World War II? What do you want to see this year from Sledgehammer? If Sledgehammer is for sure making this year's COD, what do you want to see? Let me know. Activision is up 5% after hours. The stock. Nice. I guess some preliminary info came out. Activision gives weaker than expected 2021 financial outlook. Activision Blizzard Q1 profit lifted by higher sales. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Okay. Lord Frags, what's up, man? Damn. Dude, you guys are cap, son. You know how many people hated on AW back in the day? Except me. I loved AW. If you want to go scroll back in my channel, it's all just AW videos. Like, I was a squeaker, and everyone hated that game back then. But I get it. I get it why people would want AW back, because low key, that was one of the best like futuristic games for me, I love that multiplayer so much. And also, it was more fun than World War II. It was just more interesting than World War II. I feel like overall, even if you didn't like AW, you had more fun than you had more fun playing AW than you had with World War II. I don't know. I get it. I get it. I feel like, look, dude, Activision has way too much PTSD, bro. They're not gonna do it again. Like, there's no way. E10. I'm not. No. That's a meme. No. You're not getting me with these memes here. Wait, I gotta put the. Wait, should we? We should probably listen to it, right? Wait, hold up. Oh, I gotta type. What's my company name? Matterz. I'm gonna say my company name is Matterz. Oh. Well, here's the investor call. I'm gonna get copyrighted, man. Yo, I'm gonna get copyrighted, bro. See, I don't know why. Like, I monetize this stream, but it's gonna get copyrighted because we're listening to elevator music on Should I just? Might as well just say screw it, bro. So we have this up here. We got like 7 minutes. Yo, my nose is kind of itchy. Everyone don't look. I'm gonna be picking my nose on stream. Oh. So, also, but why you guys spamming burgers? Oh, AW2. Let me check something here. Our sub count is OD, son. We are at. Okay, wait. First of all, guys, you guys like are just insane. We're only 150 subs away from 75K, dude. That's actually so crazy, bro. That's actually insane. We were just like 500 subs away like 2 days ago. So seriously, if you guys are new and you've been enjoying the content and you want to help me out, I would appreciate so much. Seriously, if you do subscribe to the channel. Super close to 75K. That's huge. That's so huge. And let me know in the chat if you're new so I can shout you out. Really do appreciate the love, guys. And be sure to leave a like as well, for sure. Definitely helps me out. The likes don't really do anything, but it just makes me feel good. I don't know. Triz, what's up, man? Matterz, you've grown so much, I'm gonna cry. Wait, when did you, Kevin, I don't remember ever making you mod, so it must have been like a while ago. Damn. Dude, I can't believe the people I used to talk to back in BO3, dude, that was 6 years ago, 5 to 6 years ago. And we've literally grown up. Like, dude, it's just crazy, man. If you guys were around on my channel back in the beginning of BO3, 2015, 2016, bro, unreal, man. How much just time has passed, and it's just crazy. I don't know. I don't know why I'm getting emotional right now. Bacon, what's up, man? Thanks for subbing. Lord Frags are new. What's good, bro? I'm Smitty. I'm new. Need a shout out. I got you, bro. Shout out to you, man. Omar, thanks for subbing, man. Glenn, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, your mug. Yo, what? What's good, bro? I remember you. I remember Mug. Yeah. Yo, Brian plays. Son, what? Dude, how you guys like all my old viewers coming back? What's happening? No, I know, bro. You guys are like the old mods. Like, dude. What's up, guys? Seriously.
Hey, Matterz, I hope you're having a good day, and I saw your tweet. That Juice G Fuel flavor was like drugs.
Yeah.
Have you seen the new CW bundle?
First of all, Karma with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, bro. Seriously. Dude, it was so good. It was honestly good because I wasn't expecting it to be that good because I don't normally like that watermelon flavor, but then I had it and I was like, bro, this shit's hitting, son. I was, oh my God. It was hitting, bro. But yeah. I haven't seen the, wait, what Cold War bundle? Which one? Are you talking about the one we talked about in my video yesterday, the In the Sticks one, where it has like a potential TranZit teaser? Because that was kind of cool. Okay. 5 minutes. Again, guys, we have the investor call here. We're not going to see a trailer. We're more looking for like the initial info for a new Call of Duty. Because usually we would get that info in January in their Q4 investor call. But we didn't get that. And that was the first time we didn't get that info. Even last year for Black Ops Cold War, and we all know like it was such a late reveal for the game. We still had some type of info on, okay, Treyarch is making this game alongside Sledgehammer and all of that. You know what I mean? So we just need that info. COD mobile news? Oh, really? Oh, COD mobile Warzone. Oh, like Warzone for mobile, you mean? I mean, that's been talked about. That's been leaked, but... Cruise Missile, what's up, man? DK said the same thing about TranZit. I mean, dude, it's got TranZit vibes. It's literally got that bundle, like, in the background, bro. It literally has TranZit vibes. The whole bundle, it does not really, because it's just a random Naga skin, which, like, doesn't scream TranZit to me, but I don't know. It was weird. It was weird. And there's some zombie, there's a tombstone charm. Favorite zombies YouTuber? I don't really watch too many zombie YouTubers anymore, just because like once you start making your own content, you're like so like zoned in onto like what you're doing. You don't really have time to watch other people of the same content. Like if I'm gonna take a break and watch YouTube, I'm usually watching like other types of YouTubers, like other rap YouTube, like music YouTubers, and like different news, general news and tech, and you know, just different stuff that's not really gaming, honestly. But I don't know, man. I do love Lex just because he's unique and it's just entertaining to watch him play zombies. Oh. Chopper's big vibe. I do like Chopper. I sometimes I put some Chopper streams on. Like sometimes I just have Chopper's Twitch stream in the background, just chilling, because it's just like I like having it. I don't know. He's cool. SB Shuffle summon. Yeah, so we're waiting for the Activision investor call. We might get some type of reveal info for COD 2021. Again, nothing confirmed. We're definitely not getting a trailer because that's all going to be in the summer. Like the full like Warzone event and the trailer that you would normally see, that's going to be in the summer. You like they did last year with Black Ops Cold War. But right now we're at least hoping for some type of just confirmation of what's going on, especially again the rumors recently about, you know, this game being delayed or completely canceled. Like that's scary, bro. So I think it would be good for them to at least like, and they did say actually that we would be getting a premium Call of Duty release last investor call. They did say that, but just to get a bit more information on like what studio is actually making it. Is it actually releasing on time? You know what I mean? Like this is stuff we need to know. So we're not getting a Berlin. Imagine, there's no way we're getting a Berlin teaser during the investor call. That would be so hype though, but there's no way. Imagine like randomly at the end of the investor call, they're like, and Berlin coming soon. Like that'd be hilarious. It's not happening though. Lethal, just got home from school, saw your stream. Hey, appreciate you stopping in, bro. KSI? Oh, was KSI in the chat? What? What's good, bro? Do you know who Candace is? Son, why are you guys trying to troll me, bro? Why are you guys trying to troll me? Like, what are we doing, bro? Is this investor call about to start? Oh. Yo, this music is lit, son.
Good afternoon.
Oh,
and welcome to the Activision Blizzard first
okay.
2021 earnings conference call.
It is now starting.
Will be in listen-only mode. Should you need assistance, please signal a conference specialist by pressing.
Guys, I'm gonna be talking, but I'll stop talking when there's important info because, guys, they're gonna go through revenue numbers, and I'm a finance major. I'm down to teach you guys about some finance here. Okay, I know a little bit. I don't know too much, and this is kind of studying. I have a finance final in an hour, so this is actually kind of studying for me. But I'll play the important info. Don't worry. Don't worry. Turn it up.
Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us today for Activision Blizzard's first quarter 2021 conference call. With us are Bobby Kotick, CEO.
Is the audio good? Let me know.
President and COO, Armin Zerza, CFO, and Dennis Durkin. And for Q&A, Rob Kostic, President of Activision, Jay Allen Brack, President of Blizzard Entertainment, and Herman Saknini, President of King, will also join us. I would like to remind everyone that during this call we'll be making statements that are not historical facts. The forward-looking statements in this presentation are based on information available to the company as of the date of this presentation.
I'm sorry.
While we
I'll turn it up more.
believe them to be true, they ultimately may prove to be incorrect. A number of factors
That's good, right?
cause the company's actual future results and other future circumstances to differ materially from those expressed in any forward-looking statements. These include the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the risk factors discussed in our SEC filings, including our 2020 annual report on Form 10-K, and those on the slide that is shown. The company undertakes no obligation to release publicly any revisions to any forward-looking statements to reflect events or circumstances after today, May 4th, 2021. We will present both GAAP and non-GAAP financial measures during this call. We provide non-GAAP financial measures, which exclude the impact of expenses related to stock-based compensation, the amortization of intangible assets.
It's going to be muffled because this guy's mic is trash.
Including legal fees, costs, expenses, and accruals, expenses related to debt financings and refinancings, restructuring and related charges, the associated tax benefits of these excluded items, and significant discrete tax-related items, including amounts related to changes in tax laws, amounts related to the potential or final resolution of tax positions, and other unusual or unique tax-related items and activities. These non-GAAP measures are not intended to be considered in isolation from, as a substitute for, or superior to our GAAP results. We encourage investors to consider all measures before making an investment decision. Please refer to our earnings release, which is posted on www.activisionblizzard.com for a full GAAP to non-GAAP reconciliation and further explanation with respect to our non-GAAP measures. There's also an earnings presentation, which you can access with the webcast, and which will be posted to the website following the call. And now, I'd like to introduce our CEO, Bobby Kotick.
Thank you, Chris, and thank you
Appreciate
all for
you guys
joining
subscribing.
us today.
You'll pop up on screen if you
For
do.
more
so
than a
thank you
year
guys.
now, amid very challenging conditions, the teams at Activision Blizzard have played an important role in supporting and serving our community of 400 million players in 190 countries. Our teams have kept players connected using our platform to comfort, inspire, and draw people together. Their hard work and dedication enabled us to deliver significantly better than expected first quarter results. First quarter net bookings increased year over year by 36% to $2.1 billion.
Let's go.
Non-GAAP operating income grew 38%, and non-GAAP earnings per share increased by 29%. Year-over-year performance was driven by our three largest franchises, Call of Duty, Warcraft, and Candy Crush, with each delivering strong double-digit growth in net bookings. This overperformance was well ahead of our expectations and confirms that our multi-year franchise strategy and continued execution is delivering value to our shareholders. With momentum continuing across our business, we're raising our financial outlook for the year. In the last 20 years, we've delivered 21% compound rates of return as compared to the S&P 500, which delivered 8% compounded rates of return. $1,000 invested in Activision in 2001 would be worth over $45,000 today, as compared to $4,900 in the S&P 500. This performance is possible because of our deep library of franchises. We own some of the most enduring and popular global entertainment franchises, supported by the very best creative teams in our industry. Our strategy centers around our long-held view that wholly owned entertainment franchises offer the opportunity for limitless innovation. We continue to increase investment in creative and commercial resources for our franchises and potential new franchises to deliver new, compelling experiences for players and superior financial returns for our shareholders. With free-to-play entry points across mobile, PC, and console, Call of Duty experienced an increase of over 100 million players in a little over a year. Call of Duty is the template we're applying to our proven franchises as well as our new potential franchises as we attempt to grow our audiences to 1 billion players. Our increase in live operations is reflected in last quarter's results and our forward outlook, as we've seen our business shift from a seasonal focus with a holiday emphasis
he's not reading a script.
to
He's
an
literally making all
always-on
these numbers
business
up right
model
now.
with far less seasonality.
Imagine if you just said random numbers the whole time.
This quarter also marked the 5-year anniversary of our acquisition of King and the Candy Crush franchise. With the Candy Crush team delivering more year-round content to over 200 million monthly players, King's business is delivering excellent results. Segment revenue grew over 20% year over year to reach a new record in the first quarter. It's especially noteworthy that of the top 10 mobile franchises worldwide, at the time we announced the acquisition of King, no other game.
We're not going to get a trailer for COD 2021. We're going to get hopefully some type of just confirmation or info on
King's
what developers making it and some other stuff like that.
Spectacular results too, with
definitely
revenue
no trailer.
growing 70% year over year in the first quarter. As we look ahead, demand for our content has never been stronger. We continue to ramp our investment in creative and development talent, especially with increased competition from Chinese companies and platform providers, and this will allow us to better serve our players. From the start of 2020 through the end of next year, we intend to hire more than 2,000 developers. We plan to triple the size of certain franchise teams compared to those team sizes in 2019. And we have aggressive hiring plans around the world, including new studios or major expansion in Poland, China, Australia, and Canada. And as our shareholders expect, we remain laser-focused on finding and retaining the best talent in the industry and always aligning performance and reward. From the extensive shareholder outreach we conducted this past year, reaching well over 60% of our shareholders, we are pleased that our company-wide pay-for-performance compensation philosophy and ESG initiatives are aligned with the expectations of our shareholders. This quarter, we'll release our first ESG report highlighting our commitment to the environment, human capital management, social good, the very best governance practices, and their direct connection to the creation of shareholder value. While the report is new, our commitment to these practices and shareholder value creation is not. In particular, we've long appreciated that the creation of broadly appealing games requires diverse views, diverse voices, and diverse skills, and an environment that fosters inclusion. And importantly, our ESG report will include our commitments to help ensure that our scale serves our players, our employees, our communities, and especially our shareholders, and that those commitments are embedded into and across our business.
Let's go.
Also in the service of our shareholders, I'm pleased to introduce Armin Zerza as our new Chief Financial Officer. Armin's deep experience as a global finance and operations executive and his contributions as Chief Operating Officer of Blizzard and Chief Commercial Officer of the company make him especially well-suited to serve as our next CFO. In his 6 years with the company, Armin has been a central figure in the company's continued growth and record financial results. He has the commitment to profitable growth and operational excellence
I am an Activision
that our shareholders
so I need
have
to know
always
this info.
recognized us for. And Armin comes to the role with an incredible team assembled by Dennis and
This
Thomas
is the Activision CEO, Omar. This literally is the
Dennis
Activision
has been
CEO.
a key contributor in some of the most value-creating moments of our history, including the buyback of control from Vivendi in 2013 and our expansion into mobile through the acquisition of King. Dennis's contributions have meaningfully shaped our culture, leaving the company in a much stronger position than when he joined 10 years ago.
Appreciate you guys. We're 120 subs away from 75K.
On behalf of Brian,
thank you guys so
Thomas,
much for that.
and our board of directors, I thank you for your friendship, your partnership, and your leadership.
Can this dude even get a quad feed?
Thanks for the kind words, Bobby. I did want to take this opportunity to personally say thank you to you, Bobby, to the incredible people and teams at Activision Blizzard, and to the board for all the wonderful support and partnership over the last 9 years. It's truly been an incredible journey and one I will never forget.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
I'll also miss my interactions with all our great analysts and investors. I really appreciated all our dialogue over the years. You pushed us and made me and our business better. So thank you. While it's tough to go, I'm pleased to be leaving at a time when the business has never been stronger, and I can't wait to see the results as the company continues to execute against our strong pipeline. And I know that the business is in good hands with Armin, who I've known for a long time. I know that he will continue to bring our disciplined and prudent approach and commitment to shareholder value creation that investors expect from Activision Blizzard. I'll sign off by saying one last thank you. I truly am grateful for it all. I'll now hand it over to Daniel to go through the highlights from the quarter. Daniel?
Thank you, Dennis.
And
I would like to add my own appreciation for all your contributions to the company. I will certainly miss our partnership, although I am thrilled to continue my close working relationship with Armin in his new role. As you've just heard, Activision Blizzard significantly exceeded its prior outlook for the first quarter, delivering very strong growth across our largest franchises.
Imagine
These results
goes to,
confirm
that'd be crazy,
that our strategy is working, creating new experiences for our franchises across platforms, alongside engagement and player investment opportunities that appeal to the broadest audience. It is incredible to see, with the backdrop of ongoing challenges from working from home, our teams have risen to the occasion, and they really continue to deliver exceptional results. Our increased investments in our largest franchises are enabling us to connect and engage people in more ways than ever before. Shelter from home has accelerated a trend we have been seeing where consumers around the world are turning to gaming for entertainment, connection, and community. Our successful growth initiatives in our largest franchises, vibrant and active communities,
the new
and
M16 bundle that was shown on Charlie Intel,
driving strong results this year as regions
I didn't
start
see that.
to
I'll check it
reopen.
out, Carl. Thank you, bro, for the 2.
Aligned with our
Appreciate
overall
that,
strategy,
man. I'll check that
we
out.
also continue to enhance our Battle.net platform as we build on our direct digital relationship with our players. In the first quarter, we rolled out the biggest front-end upgrade to Battle.net in years, delivering improved navigation, enhanced social features, and a rich storefront, contributing to
the
strong
Alien Mastercraft?
year-over-year growth
I
in
saw
sales
that, yeah.
per
No, that
visitor
one's sick.
to the platform in the quarter. And as we look into 2022 and beyond, our teams continue to make great progress on a pipeline that includes Diablo 4, Overwatch 2, and multiple Warcraft mobile titles, which we expect to deliver substantial growth for the company. Now turning to our franchise and operational highlights across our business units. Starting with Activision, which had a record 150 million monthly active users in Q1. Our Call of Duty free-to-play Warzone and mobile experiences have transformed the franchise, more than tripling the number of monthly players over the last 2 years, and adding over $1 billion of operating income to Activision segment results last year. The franchise once again delivered fantastic year-over-year growth in reach, engagement, and player investment in the first quarter.
The first 2 seasons of Black Ops Cold War and Warzone content were both in the top 3 seasons in Call of Duty
both
history.
On console, PC, and mobile. Time spent grew even faster year over year, again to a new quarterly record for the franchise. Now, moving to console and PC, since we integrated Warzone with Black Ops Cold War in December, we have continued to see a strong conversion to the premium game. Q1 premium sales were well above the levels typically seen in the first quarter, and in-game player investment trends similarly remain robust. In-game net bookings on console and PC grew more than 60% year over year in the first quarter, and the first 2 seasons of Black Ops Cold War and Warzone content were both in the top 3 seasons in Call of Duty history for in-game net bookings. And Season 3, which launched just 2 weeks ago alongside a major refresh of the Warzone experience, is sustaining this strong run rate, tracking in line with the first 2 seasons. On mobile, Call of Duty Mobile saw strong year-over-year growth in reach, engagement, and player investment in the first quarter, benefiting from the team's ongoing enhancements to the game in the West and the launch of the title
MW3
in China.
Remastered Multiplayer confirmed.
The team continues to make great progress optimizing the game in the West, with the March season concluding as the highest for player investment yet.
Vanguard logo
and
leaked.
Momentum has continued into the second
trolling.
quarter, with the April season now the top grossing to date
son.
at this point after launch. And in China, Call of Duty Mobile brought tens of millions of new players to the franchise following its launch in late December. Player investment in China in the first quarter was on par with the rest of the world combined. Similar to the Western launch 18 months ago, the team is now focused on refining gameplay and content for local tastes to build durable engagement and monetization in 2021 and beyond. With the 2021 season of Call of Duty League also off to a great start, enjoying strong year-over-year growth in average minute audience through the first 2 stages of competition, it is clear that there is ongoing momentum across the entire franchise. And there is so much
I
more to
muted
come
the donations
for
for
Call of
now. I'll
Duty.
play that in a second.
We continue to invest,
Shadow
grow
Death Gamer,
our
thank you, bro, for the
creative
$5
team,
super chat.
successfully adding
Thank you, bro.
hundreds of developers to the franchise in the last year, and enabling us to deliver even more compelling experiences in coming quarters. And in particular, we are very excited for this year's premium Call of Duty release. Development is being led by Sledgehammer Games, and the game is looking great and on track for its fall release. This is a built-for-next-generation experience with stunning visuals across campaign, multiplayer, and cooperative modes of play, designed to both integrate with and enhance the existing COD ecosystem. We look forward to sharing more details with the community soon. Now turning to Blizzard, where the teams continue to make great progress on rich pipelines, premium releases, and extending key franchises to mobile. MAUs were 27 million. In the Warcraft franchise, the World of Warcraft Shadowlands expansion continued to drive strong
They said it's looking
results
good, and it's not going to be
record-setting
delayed.
release in November, with WoW net bookings growing sharply year over year.
Okay, Activision.
Shadowlands is building on the momentum seen since the 2019 introduction of Classic drove a substantial increase in scale and an enhanced financial trajectory for WoW.
That might be all we get.
The team's work to deliver a high-quality expansion is
They
being
did confirm
recognized
Sledgehammer,
by
though. That's the first time they confirmed that.
First quarter
They did
reach
finally
was
confirm
sustained
Sledgehammer,
at a higher rate
which is
than
very
we
interesting.
typically see following expansion launches, accompanied by deep engagement. And Blizzard saw a particularly high number of new players joining the WoW community in the quarter, boosted by its initiatives to enhance the onboarding experience.
Yeah.
And World of Warcraft also saw strong participation in value-added services, further bolstering year-over-year growth in net bookings. Blizzard is building on this momentum with further content for the modern game and the upcoming introduction of the Burning Crusade, the expansion first launched in 2007 to WoW Classic. The Burning Crusade was critically acclaimed at launch, and we expect the upcoming release to more deeply engage current subscribers, bring back lapsed Classic fans, and also bring entirely new players into WoW Classic. With the expanded development team executing well against a strong pipeline, WoW remains positioned for much stronger annual financial performance than is typical outside of a modern expansion year. Now, staying within the Warcraft universe, Hearthstone is seeing encouraging trends as the team executes on a strong
They did say
pipeline
co-op
of
mode,
new
too. I'm
in-game
very
content,
interested what that co-op mode is
features,
going to be.
and game modes. Hearthstone's latest expansion, Forged in the Barrens, was released at the end of the first quarter with the game on track to deliver expansion over expansion net bookings growth for a second consecutive release. And Blizzard expects to sustain this trajectory with more new content, including Mercenaries, an innovative new mode in the popular role-playing genre planned for the coming months. And the Diablo franchise is nearing the start of its reincarnation. Blizzard announced the launch later this year of Diablo 2 Resurrected, the return of one of the most acclaimed titles in PC gaming history. The game received very positive feedback during early testing in April. And online viewership of the alpha test was the highest Blizzard has ever seen for a game test, illustrating the community's anticipation for this release. On mobile, after highly successful regional testing last December, Diablo Immortal has just entered its second phase of testing and is on track for global release later this year.
We don't know what Sledgehammer's...
We
Guys,
expect
Sledgehammer
Diablo
is a whole
to
new
broaden
studio.
Diablo's reach ahead of the
Sledgehammer
launch
is a whole
of
new
Diablo
studio.
4
It's a
on PC
different
and
studio
console.
that made Advanced Warfare
Diablo 4
and
development
World War
is progressing
II.
very well,
Like,
with a
they have
significant extended
all new
team
developers.
focused
They
on
have
not
a
only
new,
launching an
like,
epic
CEO,
experience,
whatever, a new
but
head of
also following this up
operations, whatever
with
he's
robust
called.
in-game content to sustain community.
It's a different studio, man. So there's different
In
developers.
Overwatch,
We don't know
the
exactly
team
how
is
it's gonna
making good
be.
progress
So
on Overwatch 2 and is looking
we gotta
forward
wait
to
and see,
sharing
man. We
more
gotta wait and see.
frequent updates with the
Just be
community
optimistic. Be
in the near
optimistic,
future.
guys. Trust me.
April saw fans
I mean,
around
I don't know,
the world
but I just-
return to
I hope it's
celebrate
good.
our players and city-based teams in the opening weekend of the 2021 season of the Overwatch League. The league also signed a multi-year partnership with Bilibili Esports for exclusive rights to
Bilibili
broadcast
Esports.
league games to the platform's passionate and growing Overwatch League.
That's what
fan
I
base.
think Sledgehammer might.
fun.
I feel like other studios are going to help out Sledgehammer, right? I feel like it's not just going to be them, but I don't know. They didn't confirm it there, but
in the first quarter.
I don't know.
MAUs were 258 million, exhibiting better seasonality than we typically see following the fourth quarter, led by its most important franchise, Candy Crush. For a number of quarters, King has been pursuing initiatives to broaden the payer base, deliver more frequent seasonal events, and introduce compelling new features into Candy Crush, as well as portfolio titles. This work, again, delivered excellent results in Q1, with in-game net bookings growing high teens year over year and accelerating further relative to Q4. Candy Crush grew in-game net bookings very strongly year over year and was once again the top-grossing gaming franchise in the U.S. App Store. Farm Heroes, King's second-largest franchise, also grew sharply year over year. King built on this strength to increase investment in growing the Candy and Farm audiences in key regions. We expect the ROI-positive investment to contribute to King's operating income performance in the coming quarters.
David, what's up?
As King continues to execute against his strategy, in-game net bookings have remained strong into the second quarter, continuing to grow well year over year in April, even against tough comparables from the start of lockdown in the year-ago quarter. Late in Q1, King launched Crash Bandicoot on the Run, a new mobile title based on the beloved Activision franchise.
I thought it was Bandicoot.
The game has been downloaded over 30 million times to date.
Is it Crash Bandicoot or Crash Bandicoot?
And the team is now focused on optimizing the game for retention and engagement. That said, we continue to assume limited contribution for the game in our full-year outlook. Along with a strong performance for in-app purchases, King again delivered significant growth in advertising.
Candy Crush.
Across both direct and partner sales channels. As a mobile
bro, I'm about to be a Candy Crush YouTuber.
Evolve,
I'm actually done, bro.
The team is expanding its partner network, and it's growing its direct sales force, building advertiser awareness for its differentiated, brand-safe platform, and positioning the business for ongoing growth throughout the year.
You like Crash Bandicoot? Where'd you ever play Crash Bandicoot?
In summary,
like the GameCube
we are executing well against our strategy. While the business is
COD
delivering
YouTuber is
going to
be entering the Great Depression. No, bro, don't say that.
We are only at the beginning of unlocking the full potential of our portfolio, and we look forward to
that bad
demonstrating
energy
further
into the
progress
air, man. Come on,
against
it could
this
be good.
potential in the coming quarters and beyond. Now, I will hand over to Armin, who will provide more color on our financial results. Armin?
There's a difference. Like,
Thanks, Daniel. I'm glad to be with you all for my first...
All right, Armin, hold up one second. There's a difference between having your expectations low and being optimistic. Like, I'm optimistic and hopeful that it's going to be a good game, but I'm not setting my expectations high and thinking that it's guaranteed going to be a good game. Like, it's not guaranteed to be anything, but I'm optimistic. Like, you know, hopefully, like, they might pull out something pretty good. So that's how I feel like you should be. Just be hopeful for a good game, but just be realistic at the same time. Like, it might not be as good, but, you know, you gotta have that, like, middle ground. I don't know.
Net bookings grew 36% year over year to $2.07 billion, and segment operating income grew 59% to $853 million. Total segment operating margin expanded 6 percentage points
PlayStation
year-over-year,
Theater.
reflecting the high incremental margin associated with digital revenue streams. Now, let me turn to our segment results.
Yeah, the game's not being delayed or canceled. It's coming out, they said, in fall, like the normal time Call of Duty comes out, which is that's good. I mean,
Activision revenue was
I'm glad it's not being delayed or canceled. I want them to have a shot, you know.
Year over year. Growth was driven by Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War and Warzone in-game revenues, premium sales, and Call of Duty Mobile. Operating income more than doubled year over year.
Yeah, cautiously optimistic. I like that. I like that.
With an operating margin of 50%, 14 percentage points higher year over year. Blizzard revenue
in the city before a concert, you could play games in the lobby.
Increasing 7% year over year. With very strong growth for World of Warcraft.
I feel like I've been there and I didn't see that. Was it like a while ago? Maybe it was a long time ago. I guess, yeah, probably.
And Blizzard's operating margin was 43%.
That's kind of cool, though.
Broadly consistent year over year.
Playing games in the lobby.
King revenue grew 22%
to be playing games in the
year
lobby.
over year to $609 million,
You want to be canceled? Yo, I literally like, guys, I made that video about it being potentially canceled, and everyone was like, yo, let's go. Like, my whole comment section was hyped. I was like, bro, what? Like, really?
Operating income was $203 million, growing 30% year over year, even after increased investment in user acquisition. And King's operating margin was 33%, 2 percentage points higher year over year. Finally, across our segments, in-game net bookings grew 40% year over year to $1.34 billion, representing 65% of overall net bookings, with each of Activision, Blizzard, and King contributing to the strong performance. Okay, now I'll turn to our overall consolidated results.
He's like, okay.
And unless otherwise indicated, I'll be referencing non-GAAP
let's go,
figures.
baby.
As always,
finance.
please refer to
this
our
is like a mixture of finance and
full
accounting.
GAAP to non-GAAP reconciliation. Now, for the quarter, we generated quarter one GAAP revenue of $2.28 billion, $260 million above our February outlook. This includes the net recognition of deferrals of $209 million. And net bookings of $2.07 billion were $316 million above our outlook. And we generated GAAP EPS of 79 cents and quarter one non-GAAP
I was looking at the
of
2020.
98 cents, which was 14 cents above our February outlook. These figures include the net recognition of deferrals of 14 cents. Now turning to cash flow and the balance sheet, our strong business fundamentals also drove substantial cash flow generation.
Look at that free cash flow. Oh.
We delivered operating cash flow of $844 million, significantly higher year over year.
Dude, that means free. If you guys don't know, if you have a good free cash flow, that's valid, son. That's valid.
Our cash and investment.
That means they have all this extra cash.
Approximately $9.5 billion.
That they just
ended the quarter with a net cash position of approximately $5.9 billion. And as previously
check
announced,
Sledgehammer's tweet. Oh,
this
really?
week we'll pay an annual dividend of 47 cents per share, 15% higher year over year. Now let me turn to our outlook for quarter two and the full year. Regarding the slate, our expanded teams are focused on delivering epic in-game
Sledgehammer tweeted this out, guys.
Upfront content. This means that we'll continue to support our franchises with new in-game content, events, and features, all of which are critical elements of our business as we focus on keeping our communities engaged and drive year-round player investment. In terms of upfront releases, we will release WoW Burning Crusade Classic in the coming months, and we are looking forward to launching Diablo 2 Resurrected and the latest premium release of Call of Duty in the second half of the year. And on mobile, we continue to plan for the launch of Diablo Immortal in the second half, although as is customary, we do not include meaningful contributions from new mobile launches in our outlook. Now, before I discuss the specifics of our outlook, let me provide some context. The year is off to a very strong start. Our growth initiatives continue to deliver great results in the first quarter, and our momentum has continued across all of our key franchises into the second quarter. Competition for talent remains high, and in this context, we have been increasing our investment in creative and commercial talent to deliver even more compelling experiences across our portfolio for the remainder of the year. As a result, we feel great about our ability to continue delighting and engaging our communities. So while it is still early in the year and we remain prudent in our assumptions, we are raising our outlook for full-year net bookings and earnings per share. From a phasing perspective, as discussed on the last earnings call, Call of Duty faces a difficult year-over-year comparison in Q2, since premium sales a year ago benefited from the launch of Warzone, product timing, and the introduction of shelter-from-home mandates. We also intend to take advantage of our strong business momentum to increase marketing around new content in Q2. We therefore continue to expect total segment operating profits to be lower year-over-year in the second quarter, with stronger year-over-year performance in the second half of the year as we deliver against our second half pipeline. Now let me get into the specifics. For quarter two, on a GAAP basis, we expect revenues of $2.14 billion, including the net recognition of deferrals of $285 million. We expect net bookings of $1.85 billion. We expect a GAAP operating margin of 39%, a tax rate of 21%, GAAP and non-GAAP share count of 785 million, and EPS of 81 cents. For quarter two on a non-GAAP basis, we expect a tax rate of 18% and non-GAAP EPS of 91 cents, including the net recognition of deferrals of 21 cents. Now turning to the fiscal, on a GAAP basis for 2021, we now expect revenues of $8.37 billion, including net deferrals of $230 million. We now expect net bookings of $8.6 billion. We expect a GAAP operating margin of 36%, a GAAP tax rate of 22%, GAAP and non-GAAP share count of 787 million, and GAAP EPS of $2.91. For 2021 on a non-GAAP basis, we expect a tax rate of 20% and non-GAAP EPS of $3.42, including net deferrals of 28 cents. So to close, in Q1, we continue to deliver strong
AW2 hype. Let's go.
Across our largest franchise.
Okay, I am done listening to this. I've decided there's nothing else here. Or should we still listen to it? There's not going to be anything else. They're not going to say anything else. I do want to add this, actually. I did just see this on Twitter. I'm going to make a video about this maybe tomorrow. Maybe tonight, actually. But so this is what they say. Okay, this is what they said earlier. Activision says Call of Duty 2021 will integrate with and enhance the Call of Duty ecosystem. And then Modern Warzone says very particular word choice. OST, almost as if they're positioning it as a smaller cog in a bigger machine this year. Okay? So pretty much what we've been hearing, and the leak a while ago, actually like last month, a couple weeks ago, was that this year we would also be getting a continuation of Black Ops Cold War content and a revamp for Modern Warfare 2019 along with the new Call of Duty, along with Warzone. So it seems like this year, it's not just going to be all about World War II Vanguard. I think they know that a lot of people probably aren't going to be too hyped for it, I guess, or they know it might not sell as well as the other Call of Duties. So they're positioning it as just an addition to the already expansive existing content. So again, we're going to get potentially Year 2 Cold War DLC, another Modern Warfare update for 2019, some new content, whatever. Continuous Warzone updates, obviously. We're gonna still get Warzone updates, and some World War II stuff as well. So smaller cog and then bigger cog. Well, yeah. Warzone is the big cog, the big machine. Warzone is the main thing. And World War II Vanguard is just going to kind of fit in with the rest of the Call of Duties, and they're all just sitting under Warzone. So that's just how it is, but it's interesting, man. It's very interesting. Okay, thank you for the yes spam. Appreciate that. Well, it's not confirmation that Cold War is getting more content. It's not confirmation, but it's definitely possible. I just want to say, I kind of want to see if they're asking any good questions, because the people might ask some good questions there, but I don't know. But let me just let me check here. We are 116. We're 116 subs away from 75K. I want to thank you guys if you're new and you just subscribed this stream. I really do appreciate it. If you're not subbed and you would like to, I'd appreciate that as well. Seriously, definitely means a lot to me. Super close to 75K. So definitely, yeah, I appreciate you guys joining the channel. I see a bunch of you guys in the chat. Yeah, this is a Syracuse shirt. I do not go to Syracuse though, but I got accepted into Syracuse, so that's why I have this shirt. I don't know. It's a cool shirt. But I don't go to Syracuse. Yeah. Okay, let's just listen for one more second. I have a finance final.
To build on the expansion that we've already seen in some of our franchises, even as regions reopen. And as we look forward, we see a long-term trend of more people gaming than ever before in more geographies and on more platforms. And that's been going on for decades. And we only see that continuing with gaming becoming...
All right, they're not going to say anymore. They're talking about gaming's growing. Yeah, we know that. Okay, I have a finance final, guys. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't fail. I don't think I'm going to fail, but it's just so annoying, bro. I don't want to take a final now. It's a 3-hour class, too, so it's going to be probably like not a long final, but a pretty long final. So I'm going to, like, I don't know, do some push-ups or something. Get hyped for the final. Maybe I should study. I should probably study, right? I don't know, man. But appreciate you guys coming out to the stream. We'll talk about this in a video either tonight or tomorrow. And we'll be doing a lot more streams very soon, guys. Once I finish up these finals this week, we're going to be grinding, guys. So definitely, stick around. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Peace out.